my Princess Amaris vlog! Today, my cousin is here. Diba? Okay guys, so let's see about Kita. Hiya. Hi. Say hi. Hi! Shoot you guys. Okay guys, we're going to do craft. Craft. Actually guys, so hard. So mag-sunglasses tayo guys. Pero hindi tayo mag-craft guys kasi ang hirap. Sunglasses. Oh. Actually guys, napos akong lula na balay. Okay, let's go. Let's go guys. Let's go. Ang init-init ng panahon guys. Kachar naman kay OA. Okay guys, ato sa pikas balay na ato dere. Ay, nato sa pikas balay. Dito. Okay guys, wala man tayo lingaw, so hindi na lang ta. Guys, tanalantawa na to ako ang friends. Oh, vlog. Ah, cute ah. Ping, ping, ping. Ala, cute ah. Cute. Ala, gawas, gawas. Cute ah. Cute, cute, cute. Iping, dali. Bri, hatag ang bola. Guys, lantawa. Okay, guys. No. Ping, dali, ping. Ala, kakit. Okay, guys, bye-bye sa Kasam Lobat. Bye. Subscribe and comment below. Bye.